I'm James Everingham, CEO at Guild.ai.
I'm Vincent Dermont, founding engineer at Guild.ai.
When I was leading the developer infrastructure teams at Meta, we were supporting tens of thousands of engineers, and we started to see the shift from tools that assist to systems that actually take action. Not just helping you write code, actually doing things inside the infrastructure. And once that starts to happen, the question changes pretty quickly. It's not, does this work? It's more like, who's actually in control of what this thing is doing? And if you look at what's happening now, every team is building agents. Some are stitched together workflows, some are scripts that kind of grew into something bigger. But if you ask pretty basic questions, how many are running, what they can access, who owns them, what happens if something breaks, most teams don't really have a good answer. The hard part isn't getting something to run, it's knowing what's running, what it has access to, and what happens when it breaks. That's what we're building with Guild. And now I'll pass it off to Vincent to give a demo.
All right, so here is a real scenario. A bug is hitting production. Users are getting intermittent 500 errors. New Relic detects the error spike and triggers an alert. A Jira ticket gets created and assigned to the right team. A Guild agent picks it up automatically. It reads the ticket, pulls the logs, reads the code, and understands exactly what needs to happen. It gets to work. First, it writes the fix. It opens a pull request on GitHub. The description explains what happened, what changed, and how to test it. The agent opens the PR. It goes through the checks successfully. The risk score of the PR is low, so the agent can merge it automatically. Otherwise, it would have required a human review. Next, it verifies the fix. The agent checks New Relic. It looks at error rates, validation logs, and scans for exceptions. It confirms 500 errors are dropping. The fix is holding. Then it reports back. The Jira ticket gets updated and the team gets a message on Slack. PR merged, New Relic confirms it's working. 5 bullet points on what improved, done. 1 ticket, 4 integrations. The agent handled the whole thing. Jira, GitHub, New Relic, Slack, end-to-end in just a few minutes. And here is the important part. That agent only had access to what it needed. It could read from GitHub, but it couldn't merge without the risk score being low. It could post to Slack, but only to the channels that were selected. Every credential is scoped, every action is tracked. If something breaks, you know exactly how it happened and you can roll it back. That's exactly what Guild's control plane gives you.
Thanks, Vincent. The control plane for AI agents. Build, deploy, govern, share. We can't wait for you to dive in at Guild.ai.